Hey besties, thank you so much for tuning into this video. As you guys can tell, we're going to be doing the October 2021 Boxycharm video, the base box unboxing. I am super excited to share these products with you guys. If you guys don't already know what Boxycharm is, basically it's a beauty box subscription where you pay $25 a month for the base box specifically, and then they send you out 5 full-size products that retail over $100. So you do get your bang for your buck, which even before Boxycharm was sending these out to me, I was paying my own money every single month and made videos as well before that. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. Now, I'm sorry this video is a little bit later than usual. I know we're like at the 20th of the month, so I apologize for that. But without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and we're going to jump into the video. So first things first, as you guys know, Boxycharm sends you out a little card that has the prices and descriptions on the back. Now the theme for this month is Spellbound, which I think is cute and fitting because we are in the month of October. So let's just jump right in. The first product is the Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream, which is right here. Everything is already opened, you guys, and I have tested this out and I do actually really like it, okay? So you get a nice amount of product in here. This is what she looks like. Here's the eye cream. I really do love this. I think it's really cool that it's vegan. And oh, let me tell you how much it was. It was $35. So this right here is more than the whole box, you know, is alone. So that right there was already worth it for me personally. It says it's like an espresso shot for under your eyes. Vegan skin loving eye cream reduces appearance of puffiness and dark circles. I don't know that it reduces the look of dark circles, but I definitely do feel like the puffiness that is true. And I really do love this and I'm really excited to keep wearing it. So yeah, you guys, this next product, the Ace Beauty Falling Free palette, which is $34.99. You guys, when I looked at this, just from the outside, I felt like it was going to be like a very like orange, red, brown, you know, gold situation. But when I opened it up, I was not expecting this color story, which I think is really cute for fall. I think that incorporating that green right there and these pinky purpley tones was just super up my alley. Let me show you guys some swatches. By the way, I think that Ace Beauty reformulated as of recently. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry, but I'm pretty sure that they did because I have some of their older formula and I feel like I definitely do feel a difference there. So let me show you guys these swatches. So I swatched 3 shimmers and then 3 mattes. I will say the quality seems average, you know. It doesn't seem like the best formula I've ever swatched, just off of swatches. But I mean, it does seem promising. And then especially this really beautiful green metallic shade. I'm super excited to try that on my eyes. And we have gotten Ace Beauty palettes in the past, but I will say this is the most exciting color story that I've ever received from them thus far. So I'm very excited to give it a test out and keep playing with it. Okay, so the next product, as you guys just saw, is the Trace Loose Beauty Like an Artista brush set, $27. You get 4 brushes and they are really nice. Now each brush came with this little sleeve, which if you want to pop back your brush in there and keep it in the box, you can. I never do that. I always just put it with my other, you know, brushes that I have. I will say that the quality is really nice. I've already used these, if you can tell. And they are super soft and they do blend my shadows pretty effortlessly. So I would say for $27 for 4, it's not like the best deal, but I do think it's worth it because I do think that these are really nice brushes. On top of that, like the quality of the brush like handles feels really nice and honestly luxe compared to some of the other brushes I'm looking at in my collection that were obviously cheaper, but you know, don't feel as nice. And I do think this is a new brand, so I really was impressed by these. And I think for $27, like I said, I do have cheaper brushes that I feel like do similar, but the brushes themselves are really freaking nice and the bristles are super soft. So I do think it is worth it. Now moving on to something that for me personally, I don't think is worth it. I'm sorry. Is the Camera Antique Beauty Mary Lash, which is $25. This is what they look like, and obviously I just feel like there's not enough volume for me personally. Even these lashes I'm wearing right now are pretty small, but I feel like they're still super feathery and a little bit more voluminous. I really will probably never use these. If anything, I'll probably try to give them away to someone who can get use out of them. Me personally, I'm not going to talk about them a lot because I feel bad talking about things I don't like too much, but I don't. So I just had to be honest with you guys and tell you I don't think this is worth it. Moving on to something that I'm not sure if I will end up using or not. This is the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. It says it's the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply and a hot way to spice up any eye look. So essentially you do a cute little liner moment on your eyelid, pop a lash on. It's supposed to adhere to it and take, you know, lash glue out of the equation. I don't know if this is a gimmick or if it works because I haven't used it yet. If you guys know if this works or not, definitely let me know. If I didn't already say, it is $29, so that's pretty pricey. But I don't know if this actually works or not. And I don't know how I feel about it because it would have to be super strong, you know what I mean, to really switch me over to liner instead of my lash glue. Definitely let me know if you guys have tried this specific product or just any adhesive liner to let me know if it's worth it. I definitely will be testing this out and I'm excited to try it, you know, just have a little bit of fun with makeup. But I don't know if it's something that I will be using in my everyday routine or not. I'm not even like a liquid liner person in general, so we'll see. I'm excited to try it out and I am excited to get it in a Boxycharm because I didn't have to pay $30 on my own. But I'm just not 100% with this one. So I'm going to go off camera, count up the totals, and let you know what the whole value of the box was. I will be right back. I'm back, besties, and the total value of this month's box is, drum roll please, ooh, look at my fingers, is going to be $151 for this month, which I feel like is really similar to last month and the month before that. But you know, you spend $25, you get $151 worth of product. Even though I didn't really like one product in the box, which is $25, it's still very much worth it in my personal opinion. I don't know if I will be using the liquid adhesive liner either. We will have to see. I will have to keep you guys updated with that. But even not liking two things, I mean, every single thing that I showed you guys other than those items were still way over the value of the actual box. So I love you guys so much. If you stayed to the end, please consider subscribing, leaving a cute comment. I love you guys so much. Oh, definitely comment what your favorite product was from this month's box and if you thought it was worth it or just simply not worth it. I love you guys so much and thank you for tuning in to today's video. Bye, you guys.